here to ask again, because I will keep asking until forever, for actually two motions from the board. One for a resolution to rethink the restructure, to rethink the July 22nd vote. The second is for a motion to adopt Mark Rasico's criteria, which would give you the option to look at a both decreasing and expanding school system and give you more of a 20-year vision and give the public a chance to see that you have really carefully evaluated all of the options with a cost analysis, educational model, and process for implementation. What it looks like from us right now is just a bunch of stuff floating around out there that doesn't make any sense. And so what we're seeing, what I'm seeing today, in the record today, is rough financial projections from business manager Jan Poolman indicate that it would take $20.8 million to move LMS students to the primary school. Didn't know that was on the table because the move for consolidation, the vote was to move them to the high school. So I think you actually have to have a resolution to bring that onto the table anyway. And a bit more than $13 million to move just the sixth graders to the primary school. So again, I think you have to have a resolution to change your vote, which your vote was to move them to the high school. But then I would take to you $20 million or $13 million. The cost savings for closing the middle school is $382,000. And according to Dr. McCarthy at the last meeting, it would cost $8 million to get the middle school up to code. So I think if we went with the $20 million thing, I just saved the taxpayer $12 million, because if you just got the $8 million, got it up to code, did a K4 here, a 5-8 there, and the high school, you know, that just makes more sense. So when it's a little bit of this and a little of that and stuff coming out that doesn't make sense, it just is breaking down all trust. So I would ask you to look at that and to think about those resolutions and a motion to adopt a criteria so we could all see the same numbers and we would know that you were making a decision that is educated and that is based on what is best for our children, and not just, well, let's move them here or let's move them there, or, you know, do this or that. We really like to see that. And that's all I have to say.
Thank you.